This property is a 4-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 1/2 bath, Colonial. The list price has recently been reduced to $457,000. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, wood flooring, a recreation or bonus room, a formal living room, an eat-in kitchen, a partly finished basement, a home security system, a home warranty, built-in bookshelves, natural gas heat, a family room, recessed lighting, a workshop, and a mudroom. On the outside, this property features a corner lot, an attached garage, a porch, a deck, and a cul-de-sac location. The approximate square footage is 2,520 square feet.